Hey everyone, welcome back to the electric scooter world. If you own the NIU KQi3 Pro, you already know it's an amazing ride. But today, I've got something even better, how to make it faster. In this video, I'll walk you through some basic tips to boost your performance, and at the end, I'm going to show you a speed hack using a non-official app that can increase your scooter's speed to a whopping 38 kilometers per hour. So stick around and watch the video till the end, you won't want to miss this. Tip number 1, check your tire pressure. Underinflated tires can drag your speed down. For optimal performance, your tires should be around 40 to 45 psi. This simple check can make a noticeable difference in how fast your scooter feels. Tip number 2, keep your scooter light and clean. Extra weight and dirt can slow down your ride. Make it a habit to clean your scooter regularly, especially around the wheels and motor, for maximum speed. Tip number 3, battery care. A well-maintained battery ensures consistent power and speed. Keep it between 20 and 80% charged for daily use, and avoid extreme temperatures to make sure your scooter runs at its best. Now, the speed hack. This trick can boost your KQi3 Pro's speed to 38 kilometers per hour. It involves downloading a non-official APK, updating the scooter's firmware, and activating custom mode to unlock the higher speed limit. Remember, this hack only works on Android devices, and using it might void your warranty, so proceed with caution. For a detailed, step-by-step tutorial on how to do this, check out this 9-minute tutorial by Survival Masters. I've added the link in the description. Follow their guide to get your scooter running faster in no time. That's it, folks. With these tips and the speed hack, your NIU KQi3 Pro can hit new speeds. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more scooter hacks and tips.